Seen here is Mamuju, West Sulawesi, when it was struck by a 5.8 magnitude earthquake, prompting residents to scramble to safety. The earthquake also forced the evacuation of patients from the Mamuju hospital. The earthquake was also captured by CCTVs in several residential areas.
The moment was also captured by CCTV at the West Sulawesi University in Majene Regency, where students and lecturers were scrambling for safety. Several amateur videos show that the earthquake damaged a number of public facilities and buildings, including a government-owned multi-purpose structure.
According to the results of an analysis by the Meteorological, Climatology and Geophysics Agency, the epicenter of the earthquake was located 43 kilometers southwest of Mamuju at a depth of 10 kilometers in the Makassar Strait. Fortunately, the earthquake did not have the potential to cause a tsunami. No casualties have been found so far.